Hello boys and girls, right now I have the bumper in the body of my FCX18 Land Cruiser because I'm wiring in some lights. I thought it's a good opportunity to show you how I mounted this bumper from the FMS FJ Cruiser onto the Land Cruiser LC80 Land Cruiser body. The bumper is one styled after a real bumper, a real pre-runner style bumper made by a company called NFAB. I don't believe they ever released one for the Land Cruiser, but I thought it's a no-brainer to try to fit this bumper onto the LC80 Land Cruiser because the three round yellow lights on the bumper matches the round yellow lights on the roof rack of the LC80. I thought they go great together, and let me show you how I made it fit. There are two modifications you'll need to do, and number one is to let me zoom focus on the bumper. Number one is to make two rectangular cuts on top of the bumper right here and right here. I recall these are 2mm by 3mm cuts. The second modification you need to do is to the bumper support on the FCX18. You'll need to make 3 round cuts to the bottom part of the bumper support right here, and right here, and that is so that the light support on the bumper can slot into the bumper support. I didn't do it very well, but I used a Dremel to make these round cuts, and how it would look like once let me pull this off. How it would look like is like so. It's more difficult to fit the bumper with the wiring for the lights, but it'll fit. That's how it looks, and you see why those cuts to the bumper are necessary to make it fit the bumper support. All right, and as far as the lights go, these are just 3mm LEDs wired up to a pH 1.25 connector, and the connector I have inserted into the middle empty slot on the ESC. This is designed for fog lights, and it would turn on at I believe the 4th light setting. Let me show you how it looks like. There it is. All right, thank you for watching. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section, and have a great day. Goodbye.